Hello, today we are going to talk about if an animal hibernates, so sleeps during the winter, or migrates, so it moves to a new, warmer area during the winter. So your worksheet today is number 20 and it looks like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut out those animals at the bottom and glue them in the correct box if they hibernate or if they migrate. So we're going to talk about those 8 animals and if they hibernate or if they migrate. So the first one is a deer. Do you think a deer hibernates, sleeps during the winter, migrates, moves to a new area? So it actually hibernates. A moose. Do you think a moose hibernates or migrates? So a moose actually migrates. A duck. A duck. Do you think it hibernates or it migrates? It migrates, flies to a new area. A mouse. Remember we talked about a mouse last time. So it hibernates. A bear is an easy one because we all know bears hibernate. Everyone thinks of a bear when they think of hibernation. A monarch butterfly, which is just this type of butterfly it is. So a butterfly is going to migrate, right? Because it flies away to a new space. A hedgehog is going to hibernate. We talked about that last time. And a squirrel. A squirrel is going to hibernate as well. So your hibernating animals are a deer, mouse, bear, hedgehog, and squirrel. And your migrating animals are a moose, a duck, and a butterfly. So I need you to do the same thing on your worksheet, cut and glue them into the correct space. And I hope you have a good day.